Hello and welcome to Sanatani Swarajya Sena. Today video will be completely about a travel itinerary or a travel guideline or things you should avoid before entering to Bharat, that is India. In this video we will be talking about the things that you should understand before visiting India, the things that you should keep in mind before visiting India. A visionary itinerary guidelines which I'll be providing you through this video. So let's start. Vasudev Kutumbakam is the dharma that we follow. And black life doesn't matter over here. So we don't discriminate about it. So keep those thoughts out of the mind. First of all, the first that you should remember before entering to this land is you will be entering into the land of gods. This is the land of gods. The reason why we called it as it. Welcome to the oldest civilization, a standing civilization of the world. So, if you have visited many countries or many cities around the world, keep all those thoughts aside because you will be entering into the world of karma, dharma, moksha, spirituality, prarthana, yoga, ayurveda, the unconditional love towards your motherland. If you don't know all these terms, then this is the place for you. If you doesn't know what all these terms means to you, then just clear out your mind before visiting Bharata. You called us Bharatiya, we'll be feeling really proud about it. If you called us Indians, we'll be like completely okay about it. I just wanted to clear out that thing. Let's start with the places you should visit, and the first one will be Rajasthan. If you are a desert fan, you love the desert and its atmosphere, then the Rajasthan is for you. Rajasthan and some part of the Gujarat, the western region part for you. And you will be amazed with the beauty, the vibrant culture, and the historical artifact, the history which that Rajasthan carries. And not to forget, the ultimate food which will be touching your soul. You can visit Rajasthan, the west side of Bharata. You will be amazed by the beauty of it and the nature of it. You will be amazed with the nightlife of it. You will be amazed with the amazing forts. You can see it over here on the screen. You can visit these various forts. You can visit various cultural artifacts sites. And don't forget to visit the wildlife as well. So moving ahead, if you get amazed by the Himalayan mountains and the beauty of it, then you have the land of Rishi Kashyap, the founder of Kashmir. And that's how the name. That is why we called you. You will be entering into the oldest civilization. Mark my words. The reason why I'm saying it, the land itself is a land of a goddess, is you will see the glimpse of Sanatan Dharma standing and flourishing over there with only one mantra, that is Dharma and the Moksha. If you really want to understand those terminology, then visit over there. From it, apart from it, what you will find it over here, the Buddhism and the Sikhism is flourishing over there quite peacefully. The Jainism and the Hinduism has been completely vanished out due to non-stop invaders. So you will only find the broken temples of Jains and Hindus. Apart from it, the oldest university as well. If you want to visit, you can visit the historical places as well. Apart from it, please do enjoy the food. Not to forget, at Kashmir has a very unique food, a very traditional food. Apart from it, you will find the cables, the amazing sports, which are events which are happening over here. So it's a good place to visit. You will be loved. with the people, the food, the mountains, the lakes, the gardens, the culture. Everything is just amazing. Next stop, we have, if you really want to just enjoy the festival life of Bharata, the amazing, the vibrant festival life of Bharata, then all I want you to do is just pick a month, just search it on the internet, find out which festival will be happening. Let me first warn all of you that 12 months non-stop festivals happens around Bharata. So if you really want to visit any of them, then you can just plan your itinerary according to it. Now, if you really want to know what exactly the culture means to you, what exactly the Sanatan Dharma culture means to you, then all you need to do is just visit the south side of Bharata, or just visit Kashi Vishwanatha, or a UP Uttar Pradesh, or a various temples that we called it as a Char Dham Yatra, or a 52 Shakti Pita Yatra. You will be amazed by the stories, the reasons, the terms, and the conditions regarding those. Now, are you a die-hard fan of coastal life, the ocean, the coral reef, the coastal nature, the coastal food, the seafood, the amazing white sand beaches, the golden sand, the white sand, the clean beaches? Then you have all the blue tag beaches that you will find within Bharata. And let me remind you, the culture of those respective areas are drastically different. The minute you touch it, visit the locals, have a word with them, plan your itinerary accordingly, or hire a guide. I am telling you, you will be blown away with the mind. With mind blowing resorts starting from 10,000 to 50,000 per night, along with the history of thousands years of invader, but still standing strong, you will be finding over here. Now, moving on to the next destination. If you really want to understand the amazing temples, the amazing architectures, the amazing standing temples, more than 2500, 3000 year old temples, and the 5000 year old, 4000 year old civilizational shift, then you can visit just Hampi or Indus Valley Civilization Indus Valley Civilization part, or else you can just visit the different south side temples which are still standing strong. The north side you can just neglect them or a little bit avoid them, because we have faced thousands years of invasion. Thousands years of invasion. You cannot imagine the pain that we have gone through. But that's altogether a different story. If you really want to know our history, then all you can ask about historians. I'm not going to cover up that topic, so that will be keeping aside. So, if you really want to know the amazing mountains, the non-stop white clean rivers flowing straight from Himalaya, apart from it, the amazing mountains, the place of goddess, and the peaceful of Sanatan Dharma, and the number of numerous tribes. If you want to visit their culture, their locality, then you have the northeast side for you. Moving on to the next. Now, if you really want to understand what exactly the Kama Sutra means to you, then we have a whole bloody, sorry, a wrong word. We have a whole amazing temples dedicated to just the Kama Sutra, the way of life. Kama Sutra is not about only sex or love making between two people. It's the art of love. So if you really want to experience that particular carvings and all those part, then these are the temples that you should visit. You will be thrilled by the beauty and by the carvings on the stone, and these temples are still standing strong. That's the civilization that you will be entering into. So clear out your minds. Don't visit with a certain exceptional or the concept or a certain thinking. Now, if you really want to enjoy the Western culture life, then you have all the metro cities still pending for you, with one foot in Vedic culture and the another foot is in modern culture. So that's the Bharata for you. If you don't have a money, then it's completely okay. You can spend a day with 100 rupees as well in a Bharata, which is approximately $2. Or if you really want to spend the higher amount, then you can just 10,000 US dollars will be also very less for you in the Bharata. Now, if you really want to know what exactly the term healing means to you, how does this 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 year old civilization has achieved so much into the Ayurveda, and who has given the world the true meaning of Ayurveda? Cure your disease, the world cannot cure it. We are there to cure it all. All you need to do is just visit India, take out the itinerary, find out the right person for you, and that's it. Boom. Spend a nice 6 months over here by curing your diseases. There are many people who have done that thing. Let me tell you all, that's not all. There are many things to tell you out. It's just mysterious, amazing, layered by layered, understanding the essence of life. If you want to enjoy those parts, then this is Bharata for you. Still staying together and strong because of only one belief, that is Sanatan Dharma. So what is stopping you from revealing the mysteries of your life, revealing the mysteries of your body, revealing the mysteries of consciousness, subconsciousness? This is Sanatan Dharma calling you out. Come home. If you really want to enjoy the God's own land, the backwaters, the jungle safari, the boat hotels, food, everything is just amazing, then you have a Kerala for you. And let me tell you, warn you, that thing is amazing. You will be in the peace. Now, if you really want to know what exactly the term Hind Ki Chadar means to you, what does that exactly mean, and why does it's so driven, then you have Punjab for you. Not talking about this Punjab, I'm talking about this Punjab which you see it on the screen. This is our Bharata, one of the prominent branch of Sanatan Dharma. Now moving ahead, please do visit Punjab. Of the food is chakade patte, kind of stuff. Now moving ahead, there are many states which haven't covered up. All I want you to do is just visit them, just come to Bharata, then visit them one by one, because they have so many layers. 1, 2, 3. You need to peel them one by one to get exactly what those states means to you and what those states carry inside them. So there are many states which will be covering up into the next. I don't want to cover up all. You dig it on your own. I don't want to spoon feed you. That's all I wanted to say in this particular video. More than 3,000 plus, 5,000 plus languages spoken all over Bharata, but still heart beats as one. This is Bharata for you. Please do visit. Before coming over here, just make sure the things which I have told you before visiting, keep your itinerary in line, make a proper visit, make a proper plan before coming over here. Don't come blindly. because as I told you earlier, you will be entering into the lands of gods. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next time. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Matram, Jai Bharat, Jai Bharati, Har Har Mahadev and Vasudev Kutumbakam.